ban nang kentiu shushu ya ki kamruai bat ki kam film hapo kadong riboy uba Lansius Imli ula please andon da ka recording studio ya ka bau lai kerteng kum ka Chilang Records ha ka shipo tarik upanai nopra arhajar arpaway ya ka balabu ha ka shnong kuinan nong lado hariboy district ha ka ne ka ju ka studio la la ru banle ya ka jingshna ya ki video ka jingshon dur ha ki chaka ya tho lane ring video ha ki chaka ya tho lane khawai ka sound system bat utj ya ka ne ka studio lawan ban od ribon kum kadak jong ka jingpli da UMLA jong ka omsning constituency uba Jason Saukumi Maulong ha ka jingya senran lang jong MDC ikong Magdalene Saukumi Maulong Usri Raja Brahma ubri block development officer ka omsning CNRD block uba bilang do ubri urang ba shnong ka shnong kwinai nong lado uba Joseph Sinkli ubri secretary shnong uba successful lengdo ubri urang ba shnong ka shnong Saiden udezan Ron Halus ubri music director bad bolongru ha ju por kum recordist jong kate recording studio rengkat kiwe de ki bakentu bru ya ikmi jong uba Lansius Imli ikong Idolins Imli ki khun samla ki bajunan banta ha ki film bat ki music video ki ba uba Lansius Imli uju khot ban yeshim banta Hakane ke juk sngi lala ru ban perlan ya kawai ke jingrwai thamai ka balai kerteng shipar lok tu ya ka bala pelan pai ba ha ka YouTube channel jong ba Lansius Imli ka balai kerteng LS Imli production Uba Lansius Imli ula kentu yaki khun samla ki badan sab ha ki ne ki banta ban ruai lane ban shana jingruai lane ban ak video u kentu ban mi shikmat da ka bashim ka buru lengba ka jingdon jong ka ne studio ka bahajan
pila release ki jingruai tani ka pila jingruai ka beli ko bar ko pila pon ki jingruai nim su phera kata bare ngan ong ai pp ki brio ka trishto na baba ong ai pp nimla banlan ya kata mo ngasai pila ban kli MDC pila kli Joseph de pila ban kli korok korjor baba pp trishto na ong ai pp kata ka jing trishto jong pi dai ba pi salong kum ne ba kadon kata jing kan na sem jong ade kadon kata mo ka skin for fire in the belly bo dia ka dai ba pila pi ai ka mek ka men sem de kan ni ka diga example ya bar ko badon hne pi bar ko ki kon samla ki badon hne shisha shim ya ka diga nuksa nanong ai pi teng-teng nanong ai pi kham smart baba ba ne ngaru nanong pi ngabu jai tu teng-teng kadang kan support baba le kita se smart pi dadi mesti tadi ni mari smart ko maglan video entrepreneurship kati ka igi ni teng nanong pi was bayar pi pek yalla di pi create opportunity yalla di but pi ai opportunity ru ya ki way pare di bedong kam but bedong kat di studio dokam bendrai dan pi ka sak ko suturat mana wong i itu ki beshat si ikong ri berwai mana dengan shoot ba ide na po police department pi don career option pi pa long branch pa mana police department ini kan di board ma ka team jong pi na chu ai public lo me par ka di bedong ne way ar par ka di bedong ni mo ngamla banjet ten way go ahead ei ba pile ya chakmat mo kani kade ka nuksa kani pi penslur nganong ai pi iki kun samla ha bagi page ka video ha bagi minta nang ni chakmat ya ketika production jong pi gibobon ke manwan hante play lenti pada yakiru mo ikun samlah ikwa bakalaway jong ki kang prenay ngin kwa man pilihan ay kasak na pang mo play ka til production house kajing katpa chunga kalamba hiyunwan ki airline na samot ki plot parjo narum na ne akan gatan peace kadi kalong ba welcome ay ki bakit i kasak ko pang ay pilihan ay hangan don mi tak play mo kamtam le himi jong pi 8 plat mo dalam ni ada mana dalam ba syai dan ini jom pi syai dan ini orang pun kap saya jom bang pi ki youth di basong sedian mah pi ki youth kamtam bagaran pi hak abin agang mah dah abin agang mah saya ini isu di video nang ni sekemat mah
episode ba mentas ni komen pini nga video mo biang ni pili komen pila entertainment nga ngin tindia long relaxing hours mo it's just like a bonus and reward Henry ni lakren kongjing ne ngilong what is the difference of a video at another normal program and this program nga tang super cut by chance you friend dengan I was thinking only one line so I don't want to speak much tamangi ai PD hero and my actor mo mubatip nga in Nishigi the YouTube channel and Flame and all so you are an actor you know but more than that you are a real actor right? Why I'm telling you is that you are an entrepreneur number one well, who is an entrepreneur? You know, the definition of entrepreneur, the entrepreneur is the one individual who creates a business, his own business. And you are doing that thing. You are doing your business, not yourself. You survive yourself, but you're creating job for others also. So I think you are a real hero. Not only you sustain yourself, but you pinai kam jam ya hero. That is what a idol and youth icon needs. You would enjoy them, but when you come as a hero, and you invite me today here, that's really the definition of entrepreneurship. It ends here. Is that one who takes the risks, his own his business, and enjoy the reward. So I honestly pray that you've taken the risks to set up your production house. I just pray that it will be successful, you will do good, and with the blessing of Lord, you will get a lot of reward, you excel in your life, and you take with other unemployed with you, and I hope that God will help you, me as a video, and sir there, we have some concept in myself. Within these 2-3 days, I have got one concept, so I won't talk about this concept, but hope it will work, and I can do justification that I'm here today.
Ya kene kam naga wais kapor sagui pat kapor kanang bangi hagane ke area kejungi ngila siuhun hadu kata bangila yo ya kene kala ban pensuk yangi kamtam yaki silong kitau kamtam yaki balang bapel ban pendap yaki jindon kam kalong bangi don hangne kalong kajing kemen ka bakrau naga benta jong pi baba pilala ban le kat kane ka kam ka bakrauแต่กุมจงไอ้คุบเลยในกุมตาอีกกองในบาลารวยมันเนี่ยกับใบเสาหุ่นเตียนส่วนตัวบัดแต่จริงรวยเราก็เสาหุ่นกุมบาก็ลองกัดตัวบัดกัดเตียนไอ้คุบเลยในกุมตาจงพีกองบัดกัดจริงรวยก็จงพีกลับเป็นขี้ยังงี้รู้บันแต่ไม่กี่ข้อสิวก็จงงี้แต่กุมจงในกุมตาอีรังบาบาลังบันในกุมตาอีกุเรียมจงอี MDC จงงี้ในคุปเลยในกับประชาจงพีบะกับจิงยดอนกัดกับจงพีกับอาจิงสงานยังงี้หากันกับจันเบีย